Race number 6. Away they go. Best Asset rushing up Sir Henry. And on the outside, Kay Aquino. Down on the inside, All My Life Stormtrooper. Peter Firm running in 6th position. In between runners running down on the inside is Harbor Magic. Alongside is So It's You and Sambat. Is running at the tail of the field. Sir Henry by a length and a half, followed by Best Asset. Is Peter Firm down on the inside. Rushing up is So It's You, Stormtrooper. All My Life, the favorite. Harbor Magic is racing 7th position by Darrell. Kay Aquino on the outside and Sambat. Nearing the last 500, Sir Henry, Best Asset. Rushing up on the outside, So It's You by the Respira Firm Stormtrooper as they race the final corner. Still Best Asset on the outside, Sir Henry down on the inside, So It's You, and by the Respira Firm Harbor Magic. Sir Henry, Best Asset fighting it out for the lead. Best Asset by a head, Sir Henry down on the inside. Sir Henry, Best Asset, Sir Henry. And finally, Sir Henry, Best Asset, Harbor Magic, Kay Aquino, and So It's You.
Dehado.